this is my very first shipment from Mama Bass Handmade Soap. Why? Because I always miss her restocks and she's always sold out immediately. No other reason. And so we're about to take a peek at what's in here. Looks like I got a sample. Thank you very much. Here is the information. MamaBassHandmadeSoap.com. On Instagram, Mama Bass Handmade Soap. Facebook is Mama Bass Handmade Soap. All right. So let's see what's in here. I just ordered it because I was like, oh my gosh, I caught a restock? What? I mean, a pre-order? I was so excited. I was like, I didn't miss out on it. I smelled bakery goods the moment I opened the package. So we'll see. But I knew that was going to be the case. Okay, the first sampler that I got is the Carnival, and that of course is going to smell like popcorn and stuff. But I just was so excited to have some Mama Bass stuff. And then the second one was the Fall Blends. So let's take a closer look. All right, let's take a look at the Fall Blends first. The first item that I have in here is, what is that? I can't even read it. It is vanilla, bean, cinnamon, leaf, white pumpkin, clove, sandalwood, palo. I can't read the next word. Anyway, so amber and patchouli. So it's a nice mixture. It's a very pretty, and it's actually sounds like scent profiles that I will love. And I do. This is called Pale September. The next one is called After Dark, and it is scented in, looks like Kentucky bourbon, black opium, vanilla, sandalwood. And this is another one. Sounds like I'd like to scent up. And I do. The next one is Pumpkin Festival. So this is going to smell like bakery goods. Pumpkin souffle, hay bale, cedar woods, apple cider, cornbread, and muffins. Doesn't sound bad though. Let me smell. Oh, actually this smells quite nice. Because of the cedar wood and apple cider, it actually, and hay bales, it's not exactly a bakery scent. I'm so excited. Never gotten one of these before. Chai vanilla milk, black tea, chai spices, vanilla cream. Let's take a peek. It's all right. I mean, it's not horrible. I'm not sure that it's going to be off. I actually can smell the black tea in it like strongly, and I'm not a tea scent person either. By the way, pardon my hands. I've been getting ready for a art birthday party that I have to do with my business. All right, and then this one is honey pumpkin bread, pumpkin spice, French baguette, milk and honey. I don't even have to open this to know that it's not going to be my fave. It's actually not that bad either. Yeah, it's actually not, doesn't smell bready, which is what I really dislike about the bakery scents that smell too cakey or too bready. And this one doesn't smell like that either, which is strange because French baguette's included. So I like that one. This one is Oktoberfest. Oatmeal stout, soft salty pretzels, caramel pipe tobacco. Let's see, caramel and pipe tobacco. This one I'm going to melt because it's beautiful. It's probably going to put some nice color. Look at that, it's going to melt so pretty. But this one, I'm not fond of the scent. It smells too bakery. All right, so what did we have in the fall, what was it called? Fall Blends. We had the Oktoberfest. We had honey pumpkin bread. We have Chai vanilla milk. This one I really like. Pale September, and it's so cute. And then this one is another one I liked as well, After Dark. And then last but not least, Pumpkin Festival. All right, I'll be back with the opening of the carnival. All right, we are back with the carnival wax sampler, and this one smells amazing. I haven't even opened one up yet, but just the scent that came at me when I started unpackaging this stuff smelled pretty good. This one is House of Mirrors, pecans, pralines, vanilla, marshmallow, tonka, bean, and musk. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I think about this one yet. The scent was kind of light, so I can't say whether I like it or not. But of course, it's probably going to be a lot stronger once I melt it. This one is Cosmic Carnival, and this is what I smell, I believe. Freshly squeezed lemonade, sweet and salty kettle corn. That's a interesting combination. And it smells amazing. I don't know how, but it does. Cosmic Carnival. Again, it is scented in fresh squeezed lemonade and sweet and salty kettle corn. It smells amazing. Here we have Coney Island. This is cotton candy, buttery popcorn, saltwater taffy, and cornbread. Look, got a little piece of popcorn up there. All right, let's see. Yes, this one too. It's like sweet and salty. That's all I can explain. That's all I can say about that one. That's the only way that I can figure to explain it. Oh, this is gonna melt so pretty. Beach Boardwalk, cotton candy, caramel popcorn, candied apples, funnel cake, and salty sea air. Love it, love it, love it, love it. This one is so freaking cute. This one is Sideshow Snacks. Ooh, don't know how I feel about this. Root beer, vanilla bean, ice cream, buttery flaky pie crust. Again, not much of a pie crust girl, and I don't like root beer. So let's see how her concoction turned out. It's probably going to be awesome though. Ooh. No, I do not like this one. Got to keep it real. It's not because the scent is not amazing, guys. If you guys love root beer, this is the one for you. This smells like straight root beer, and I know plenty of people who love root beer, my daughter being one. Maybe she'll melt this in her room. But I'm not a root beer girl at all. But anyway, it's super cute. And then the last one is Tilt-A-Whirl. And that's caramel, apple, sugar cookie crumbles, funnel cake, and whipped cream. I like this one too. Okay, so what did we have? We had the Tilt-A-Whirl. Smells sweet and almost like a little tart. This one smells to me just like root beer. This one is Sideshow Snacks. Coney Island. This one smells sweet and salty. This one, I just love it. I love lemonade, and so it looks like when I smell it, I smell a little bit of this sweet and salty kettle corn, but the lemonade is strong there, and I like it. We have House of Mirrors, pralines, vanilla, marshmallow, tonka, bean, and musk. I'm trying to remember. This is the one I said I couldn't smell all that well. And then this one that I loved as well. Not only is it pretty, but it smells amazing. Cotton candy, caramel popcorn, candied apples, funnel cake, salty sea air. And again, this was the Carnival wax sampler. I also had, looks like a little sample here of Venus. And this I'm going to love. Look at that. Just my kind. Black pearl, lush type, and pink sugar. That's the Inky Mac scents. All right, guys, that's it for Mama Bass, and I'm so excited to have these in my paw, because I just hadn't. All right, guys, that's it, and I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.